Hello everyone and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
And I'm Linda. So happy to have you here today. Whether you're on your way to work, studying at home, or relaxing, thank you for spending this time with us.
Today we are talking about 3 powerful phrases in English.
These phrases confuse so many learners.
But after this episode, you will understand them completely.
Today's topic is have been, could have been, and would have been.
These are used every single day in real English conversations.
Once you understand them, your English will sound so much more natural and confident.
Before we begin, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And share this with a friend who is learning English too.
All right, let's jump in. First, let's understand what these 3 phrases are.
Think of them as time machines.
They help you talk about the past in 3 different ways.
Have been talks about something that happened and is still connected to now.
Could have been talks about something that was possible in the past but did not happen.
Would have been talks about what the result would have been if things were different.
3 phrases, 3 different meanings, all about the past.
Don't worry, we will explain each one slowly and clearly with easy examples.
By the end of this episode, you will be using all 3 naturally.
Part 1. Have been.
Let's start with the simplest one, have been.
Have been is used when something happened in the past and still matters now.
Think of it like a bridge between the past and the present.
Example 1. I have been to Japan.
This means at some point in the past, I went to Japan. That experience is part of who I am now.
Example 2. She has been sick for 3 days.
She got sick 3 days ago, and she is still sick today.
Have been connects your past to your present.
Example 3. They have been married for 20 years.
The marriage started in the past and it continues today.
Have been has 2 main uses, experience and duration.
Experience. Something you did at some time in your life.
I have been to 3 different countries. He has been on a plane before.
Duration. How long something is happening.
I have been learning English for 2 years. She has been living in this city since 2020. I have been friends for 15 years.
The formula is simple. Have or has plus been plus more information.
Use have with I, you, we, they.
Use has with he, she, it.
I have been tired lately, using have.
She has been very busy, using has.
Also remember, have been plus for equals how long.
Have been plus since equals from what point in time.
For 3 hours, for many years, for a long time.
Since Monday, since last year, since I was a child.
Where do we use have been in real life?
Use 1. Talking about life experiences.
I have been to many concerts in my life.
She has been on an airplane before.
We have been to that restaurant. The food is amazing.
When you want to share something you experienced, use have been.
Use 2. Talking about how long something is happening.
I have been learning English for 2 years.
He has been living in this city since 2020. We have been friends for 15 years.
Use 3. Showing recent or ongoing actions.
I have been studying all morning.
They have been waiting for the bus.
I have been cooking since noon.
These actions started recently and are still happening right now.
Have been helps explain what you have been doing lately.
Common mistakes with have been.
Mistake 1. Using have been with a specific finished time.
Wrong. I have been to school yesterday.
Correct. I went to school yesterday.
When you say a specific finished time, like yesterday, last week, in 2010, do not use have been.
Use simple past instead. Went, finished, arrived, ate.
Have been is for experiences without a specific time or for things still continuing.
Mistake 2. Forgetting to change have to has.
Wrong. She have been working hard.
Correct. She has been working hard.
Remember, he, she, it always use has, not have.
Mistake 3. Dropping have or has completely.
Wrong. I've been studying English for years.
Correct. I have been studying English for years.
Always keep have or has before been. Never remove them.
These are small mistakes, but fixing them makes a big difference in how natural you sound. All right, let's take a quick break, and when we return, we'll talk about the next phrase, could have been.
Part 2. Could have been.
Could have been is used when something was possible in the past, but did not happen.
It's about missed possibilities, close calls, and things that didn't go the way they could have.
Example 1. That accident could have been very serious.
Meaning, it was possible for the accident to be very serious, but it luckily was not.
Example 2. She could have been a doctor.
She had the ability and the opportunity to become a doctor, but she chose a different path.
Example 3. The meeting could have been shorter. It was possible for the meeting to be shorter, but it was long.
Could have been talks about what was possible, but did not happen.
It carries 3 different feelings depending on the situation.
Sometimes it expresses regret. I could have been more careful.
Sometimes relief. That could have been much worse.
Sometimes missed potential. She could have been a great singer.
Regret, relief, missed potential. 3 feelings, 1 phrase.
Where do we use could have been in daily life?
Use 1. Expressing regret.
I could have been more kind to her. I feel bad now.
He could have been more prepared for the test.
We could have been on time if we had left earlier.
Regret means you wish you had done something differently.
Use 2. Expressing relief.
That fall could have been very dangerous. We were so lucky.
The storm could have been much worse.
She could have been seriously hurt.
When something bad almost happened, we use could have been to show relief.
Use 3. Talking about missed opportunities or potential.
With more practice, he could have been a professional athlete.
If she had studied harder, she could have been top of her class.
I could have been promoted if I had worked harder.
The structure is simple. Could plus have plus been plus description.
It could have been better. She could have been happier.
They could have been more careful.
The formula never changes. Could have been.
Common mistakes with could have been.
Mistake 1. Writing could of instead of could have.
Wrong. She could have been a teacher.
In spoken English, could have sounds like could have. Many people write of by mistake.
Correct. She could have been a teacher. Always write have, never of.
Mistake 2. Using could be instead of could have been for the past.
Wrong. That could be very dangerous yesterday.
Correct. That could have been very dangerous.
Could be is for the present or future. Could have been is for the past.
Mistake 3. Using it when something did happen.
Wrong. The movie could have been good. I loved it.
If the movie was good, just say the movie was great.
Could have been means the situation turned out differently from what was possible.
Use it only for things that did not happen, not for things that did. Part 3. Would have been.
This one is about imagining a different past.
You take the real past and you imagine a different version of it.
Would have been is used when you say, if something had been different, the result would have been different.
Example 1. If I had studied harder, I would have been accepted to the university.
Real life, I did not study hard enough, and I was not accepted.
Imagined world. If I had studied, I would have been accepted.
Example 2. If she had eaten breakfast, she would have been energetic.
Real, she did not eat breakfast. She was not energetic.
Imagined, if she had eaten, she would have been full of energy.
Example 3, if we had left earlier, we would have been on time.
Real, we did not leave earlier. We were late.
Would have been almost always works with a condition, an if.
The formula, if plus subject plus had plus past participle equals subject plus would have been plus result.
If I had tried, I would have been successful.
If she had rested, she would have been healthy.
Cause with if, effect with would have been.
Where do we use would have been in daily life?
Use 1, imagining different outcomes.
If I had taken that job, I would have been much happier.
If they had prepared more, the presentation would have been excellent.
If he had seen a doctor earlier, the recovery would have been faster.
You're imagining what if things had been different.
Use 2, expressing regret about the past.
If I had listened to my parents, my life would have been easier.
If we had communicated better, the relationship would have been stronger. Use 3, showing expectations that did not happen.
The party would have been amazing, but it rained.
The trip would have been perfect, but I got sick.
The meeting would have been finished by noon, but we had too many problems.
You expected something, but something else got in the way.
Would have been shows your original expectation before things changed.
Common mistakes with would have been.
Mistake 1, writing would of been.
Wrong. It would have been amazing.
Correct, it would have been amazing.
Always have, never of. Same rule as could have been.
Mistake 2, using simple past in the if part.
Wrong. If I studied harder, I would have been accepted.
Correct, if I had studied harder, I would have been accepted.
The if part always needs had plus past participle, not simple past.
If I had studied, if she had rested, if we had planned.
This small change makes a very big difference in how correct and natural you sound.
Mistake 3, forgetting the if condition.
It would have been nice.
If you had come, it would have been so nice.
Adding the condition makes the meaning clear and complete.
Now let's compare all 3 together, side by side.
Let's use the same topic, a job interview.
I have been to many job interviews in my life. Have been.
This is about my real experience. I actually went to those interviews.
The interview could have been more relaxed. Could have been.
The interview was not relaxed, but it was possible. It could have been different.
If I had prepared more, the interview would have been perfect. Would have been.
In real life, I did not prepare enough. I'm imagining a different result.
Same topic, 3 different phrases, 3 different meanings.
Have been equals real experience or duration connected to now.
Could have been equals a past possibility that did not happen.
Would have been equals imagined result from a different past, usually with if.
Real, possible but missed, imaginary.
And quick exercise. Listen and choose the right phrase.
Situation 1. You wanted to be a pilot when you were young, but became a teacher instead.
I blank a pilot, but I chose teaching. Which phrase fits?
Answer. I could have been a pilot. It was possible, but it didn't happen.
Situation 2. You started learning Spanish 6 months ago, and you still study today. I blank learning Spanish for 6 months. Which phrase fits?
Answer. I have been learning Spanish for 6 months. Duration connected to now.
Situation 3. The exam was difficult, but if you had prepared more, the result was different. I blank prepared more, the result blank better. Which phrase fits?
Answer. If I had prepared more, the result would have been better. Imagining a different past.
You got them all. You are already thinking in these phrases.
How to practice every single day.
Tip 1. Write 3 sentences every morning, one with each phrase.
About your own life, real situations.
I have been waking up late this week.
I could have been on time if I had slept earlier.
If I had slept earlier, my morning would have been better.
3 sentences, 5 minutes, every single morning.
Tip 2. Listen for these phrases in movies, TV shows, and songs.
When you hear have been, could have been, or would have been, pause.
Ask yourself, which type is this? Experience? Possibility? Imagination?
Training your ear is just as important as studying the grammar.
Tip 3. Talk to yourself in English using these phrases.
Think about your day and use them naturally.
Today has been a really good day. Or, that meeting could have been shorter.
No pressure, no judgment, just daily practice.
Don't be afraid to use these phrases.
Many learners avoid them because they feel complicated.
But native speakers use them every day in conversations, texts, emails, everywhere.
Using them shows your English is growing and becoming more advanced.
Start with have been. It is the most natural one to begin with.
I have been so busy this week, or she has been feeling great.
Then try could have been. That could have been worse.
Then would have been. If I had more time, it would have been amazing.
Small steps, consistent practice, big progress over time.
Communication is always the goal, not perfection. Every sentence you speak makes you more confident. Every attempt is progress.
Quick review. Let's bring it all together.
Have been equals real experience or duration connected to now.
I have been to Paris. She has been sick for a week. We have been friends for years.
Could have been equals past possibility that did not happen.
That could have been much worse. He could have been a champion. I could have been more careful.
Would have been equals imagined result from a different past, usually with if.
If I had tried, I would have been successful. The trip would have been perfect if it hadn't rained.
The key difference, have been, is real. Could and would have been are imaginary.
Have been, it actually happened or is still happening.
Could have been, it was possible but it did not happen.
Would have been, in a different world, the result would have been this.
3 phrases, 3 tools, 3 ways to talk about the past like a natural English speaker.
You now understand all 3, and you can start using them today.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more lessons like this.
Leave a comment below. Write 1 sentence using have been, could have been, or would have been. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep building your confidence every single day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.